In today's video, I will walk you through how to create mirror effect side by side using Flip in Filmora. To create this effect, start by importing your video into Filmora. Drag the video onto the timeline and click the clip to select it. Next, duplicate the clip so you have two identical layers on the timeline. Place the duplicated clip above or below the original so both clips are stacked. Select one of the clips and go to the transform or flip options in the editing panel. Apply a horizontal flip to that clip to create the mirrored version. Now adjust the position of both clips in the preview window. Place them side by side so the flipped clip mirrors the original on the opposite side of the screen. Make sure both clips are aligned evenly for a clean result. This side-by-side mirror effect is commonly used when you want to create a symmetrical visual style or a creative duplicated reflection look. It helps make your video more dynamic and visually interesting. And that's all you need to do to create a mirror effect side by side using Flip in Filmora. Thank you for watching the video.